In this video, I am going to show you how to use VLOOKUP with array formula in Google Sheets. So the benefit of combining these two formulas together is that with one formula, I can search for multiple pieces of data. Normally what I would have to do if I want to search for all of these or do a lookup on all of these cells that I have highlighted here, I would have to put a VLOOKUP formula in each and every cell here. And with array formula, I can actually do this all in one formula. So that will help you speed up and be more efficient as you're working in spreadsheets. So just to show you that, I have the formula here. I'll just put it into this cell here so you can see just one formula. I enter it, and then it automatically looks up everything that I have in the data. So I'll just show you step by step how to set this up. So first I'm going to type array formula, and then I want to do an if error. This is optional. If it's an error and you don't use this, it's going to throw an NA error. Otherwise, this just helps the data look a little neater. And then I want to put in my VLOOKUP. So the first parameter here is what am I looking up. I want to look up the entire column F, so I'm just going to do that. And then the next parameter is where do I want to look it up. I'm just going to look this up in my table that exists in cell A3 to D. And then what column do I want to return? In this example, I just want to return column 2. So I want to look for the names in these columns and then return whatever's in the second column. And then I'm going to do false for exact match, and then add your 3 closing parentheses. So you can see with one formula it returned an array result, so it expanded to all of the cells that I have data in this column for. But that is basically how you would use array formula with a VLOOKUP. If you want to learn more about this, I'm going to place a link to the blog post in the description of this video where I'll go step by step over this if you're still confused. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.